Are you planning to install a patio in your Denver home? Hiring a professional concrete contractor is crucial to ensure the project is a success. In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to hiring a concrete contractor for your Denver patio installation. One of the main reasons why you should hire a professional concrete contractor is their expertise and experience. They have the necessary skills and knowledge to handle all aspects of the installation, including proper site preparation, concrete mixing, leveling, and finishing. Hiring a professional ensures the patio is built to last. The first step in hiring a concrete contractor is to do thorough research. Look for contractors who specialize in patio installations in the Denver area. Read reviews and check their portfolios to get an idea of their previous work. Shortlist a few contractors based on their experience, reputation, and the quality of their work. Contact the shortlisted contractors and request quotes for your patio installation project. Make sure to provide them with all the necessary details, such as the size of the patio, the desired concrete finish, and any specific features you want. Getting multiple quotes will help you compare prices and choose the contractor that offers the best value for your investment. Before finalizing a contractor, make sure to check if they are licensed and insured. A license ensures that the contractor meets the required standards and regulations. Insurance protects you from any liability in case of accidents or damages during the project. It's essential to hire a contractor who is licensed and has adequate insurance coverage. Ask the contractor for references and contact their previous clients to get feedback on their work. Visiting and inspecting their past patio installation projects can give you a better understanding of the quality of their workmanship. Checking references and past projects is essential in ensuring you choose a reputable and reliable contractor. Never start a project without a written contract. The contract should clearly outline the project details, timeline, payment terms, and any warranties offered by the contractor. Make sure you understand and agree with all the terms before signing the contract. A well-drafted contract protects both you and the contractor. By following these steps, you can ensure that you hire the right concrete contractor for your Denver patio installation. Take your time, do thorough research, and choose a professional who has the expertise and experience to deliver the patio of your dreams.